It's a great day to make a delicious salad. Peaches, they're just perfect right now. The first thing what I did, I put in a nice salad bowl a half a bag of arugula. Then I took 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and I mixed it with arugula. This way I didn't have to use any salt in the salad. Then I took 2 of the peaches and I cut them in small pieces and I added to the salad. But one thing I have to tell you about the peaches, when I bought them, they were not completely ripe. So I left them outside the refrigerator for 2 days. They got nice and red and they smelled really good. Then I took 4 tablespoons of feta cheese. The feta cheese has some herbs, so it gave it a lot of flavor. Then I added to the salad 6 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I gave it a nice mix. And let me tell you something, this salad was out of this world. I only used 6 ingredients in this salad because I want people to be able to make this salad home without have to use so many ingredients. Like sometimes I watch videos with recipes and I see people use like 10 ingredients, 12 ingredients. It's too many ingredients to maintain home. You know, it's like if you're in a restaurant, it's different. So I was really lucky to eat this salad last night. I was really happy. We got to remember, how we feel is how we eat. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.